हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू टुडेज वीडियो वेर इन आज के लिए मेरे पास एक सुपर ओल्ड स्कूल वीडियो है वेर इन बेसिकली आई एम गोइंग टू सिट डाउन एंड शेयर विथ यू नॉट वन टू even three. Actually, you know what? एक second. Ta-da! I have this huge box that I have purchased from the house of Body Cupids. मेरे पास total 6 products है and I got all of these products under rupees, wait for it, 799. Oh my god, can you just like comprehend? मुझे 799 के अंदर 6 प्रोडक्ट्स मिले हैं, वो भी सारे फुल साइज. देयर इज नो मिनी, नो ट्रैवल, ना. 799 6 products, that's the deal. और now obviously ये वाली जो मुझे ऑफर मिली थी वो स्पेसिफिकली एक्सक्लूसिवली उनके वेबसाइट के लिए थी. इन टर्म्स ऑफ हाउ वाज माय शॉपिंग एक्सपीरियंस, इट वाज वेरी इजी. इंस्टाग्राम पे ऐड देख ली, अकाउंट में बैंक बैलेंस चेक कर लिया और ऑर्डर प्लेस कर दिया. विद दैट बीइंग सेड, मुझे मेरा डिलीवरी आया है विद इन 5 days, which I think is absolutely awesome. I am Mumbai based. Now I have only indulged in not one but actually 2 Body Cupids perfume. एक था उनका Aqua Body Perfume and दूसरा वाला था Secret Love, and both of these honestly were my hands down favorite body perfumes. These are solid perfumes. I'm going to pop a picture on the screen. As you can see, इनका vibe काफी luxurious and aesthetic था, इनका packaging काफी प्रीमियम था and quality भी सुंदर थी. तो मेरी expectations काफी ऊपर थे, considering how affordable it is, fact that it's an Indian brand and such good quality and such good price. How could anything go wrong? So I went ahead and purchased, let me now show you, not one, not two, but actually quite a lot of body mist this time. Now there's a huge and a significant difference between a body mist and a perfume. Perfume में ज़्यादा smell होता है versus body mist में कम smell होता है. As a result, body perfumes are long lasting and strong in fragrance, whereas body mists are not as long lasting and इनका जो fragrance level भी होता है वो थोड़ा कम होता है. And honestly, मैंने just recently मेरे टॉप 5 फेवरेट बॉडी मिस्ट के वीडियो की है जो काफ़ी अफोर्डेबल है. एट द सेम टाइम दीज बॉडी मिस्ट आर हाईली कंपेरेबल टू परफ्यूम्स. सो येस, काफ़ी कांटे की टक्कर है एंड सम बेस्ट रिकमेंडेशंस आर इन दैट वीडियो. विद दैट बीइंग सेड, पर्सनली आई एम अ बॉडी मिस्ट गैल. आई जस्ट लाइक हाउ कन्वीनियंटली आप उसको रीटच अप कर सकते हो. यू कैन ईजिली कैरी इट. विद परफ्यूम्स यार, कांच की बॉटल होती है, एक्सपेंसिव होती है, तो इतना ईजिली आप उसको कैरी नहीं कर सकते. एंड व्हेन यू बाय द ट्रैवल साइज, वो दिल पे एक दर्द होता है यार कि यार, बिकॉज परफ्यूम है समथिंग जो खत्म होता है. व्हेन इट कम्स टू मेकअप ना, मैं आपको डेफिनेटली बोलूँगी आप मिनीज ही खरीदो, स्पेशली लिपस्टिक वगैरह के, बिकॉज व्हेन वाज द लास्ट टाइम डिड यू इवन एक्चुअली फिनिश अ मेकअप प्रोडक्ट. विद दैट बीइंग सेड, मेरे पास 4 बॉडी मिस्ट है. एट द सेम टाइम, अ वे यू कैन मेक योर सिंपल बॉडी मिस्ट लास्ट लॉन्गर इज बाय यूजिंग सिमिलर बॉडी लोशंस. तो ऑब्वियसली इनकी तरफ से मुझे बॉडी लोशंस भी ट्राई करने थे. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट डिगिंग इन टू ईच एंड एवरी प्रोडक्ट दैट आई हैव, एंड इन द एंड ऑफ इट आई विल गिव यू माई फाइनल थॉट्स अबाउट द बॉडी मिस्ट एज वेल एज द बॉडी लोशंस. सो येस, विदाउट एनी फर्दर ado, let's jump right into it. Let's go. So to start off with, this is the Body Cupid's body mist in the variant Aqua Wave. This is exactly the variant जिसका मेरे पास बॉडी परफ्यूम भी था, जो मैंने इसी ब्रांड से यूज किया था. तो I'm kind of excited to see कि इसका मिस्ट एंड परफ्यूम कितना सिमिलर है या फिर कितना नॉट सो सिमिलर है. विद दैट बीइंग सेड, पैकेजिंग वाइज आप देख सकते हो इसकी पैकेजिंग कुछ इस तरह की आती है. इट हैज दिस प्लास्टिक कवरिंग दैट यू हैव टू रिमूव, जो मेरा कभी भी एक गो में नहीं निकला है. सो या, this is how it looks like. Now the MRP of these body mists is $3.99 and you get about 100 ml of product, which is honestly a good enough amount. With that being said, let's open this up. This is how it looks like, and it also comes with a plastic cap. I want to give this a good shake because why not? Oh, it definitely has the same scent as that of the perfume, बट इसका स्मेल फिर भी मैं कहूँगी थोड़ा ज़्यादा अल्कोहल है एंड बाद में आपको वो एक्वा वाली स्मेल आती है. बट इट्स अ ब्यूटिफुल परफ्यूम. आई रियली लाइक्ड इट. द मिस्ट ऑन हियर इज़ वेरी एवरेज. विद दैट बीइंग सेड, द प्रोडक्ट स्मेल, it's very nice. It's very aqua, oceany, like on the beach. Especially if you're a guy, you would really like this. It's very strong and masculine in nature. Almost gives me like an aftershave kind of smell in a good way. and it does have that lingering scent to it, which I really like. Now this is my kind of fragrance for sure. Next up we have ta-ta-ta-ta. As you can see, इसका color थोड़ा pinkish है, and this is the Body Cupid's body mist in the variant Apple Blossom. Now as you can see, मैंने इसे काफ़ी यूज़ किया है, considering I used to actually carry this in my bag just to see कि how it lasts on me throughout the day, how other people are liking the mist, you know, every time I'm applying it, because of course सबको smell आती है जब आप instantly body mist लगाते हो. Now with this, I did not get that good of a review. Now to start off with, इसका obviously मैंने cap घुमा दिया है very conveniently. इसका काफ़ी एप्पल टाइप स्मेल है, विच ऑब्वियसली आई अज्यूम बिकॉज इट्स कॉल्ड एप्पल ब्लॉसम. बट यू नो, अगर आपने चेरी ब्लॉसम स्मेल किया है, इट्स वेरी रिलैक्सिंग, इट्स वेरी डिफरेंट. तो मेरी काइंड ऑफ वो एक्सपेक्टेशन थी चेरी ब्लॉसम वाली, बट ये काफ़ी एप्पल निकला एंड इसमें वो एप्पल ब्लॉसम वाला स्मेल नहीं है. However, what most of my friends told me every time I applied this is this exactly smells like, quote on quote, if you're an alcoholic drinker you might relate, like the Smirnoff green apple vodka. That is how it smells like. It's extremely alcoholic and extremely artificial. There was an instance where they were hungover and I applied this, and trust me, I was so close to losing friendships. So close, because this exactly smells like alcoholic drink to a point where it's very nauseating, and the apple is so artificial that even I am like, what is going on? I'm not very convinced with this scent, and I would highly encourage you to stay away from this particular variant. With that being said, let's move on to the other variant, which is tada! This is the Body Cupid Cucumber and Melon. Ta-da! As you can see, again, this is another variant that I have used and not abused, but I've used to an extent, as you can see. Now this one, okay, let me just revisit my memories with this one. But this, you know, when you go to Sabzi Mandi, you know where I'm going with this, right? Like, come on. This smells like you are walking in Sabzi Mandi and किसी का बेचारे का accidentally पूरा ककड़ी गिर गया नीचे, and you know, it's just the aroma is of kakdi. I don't want to insult anyone, but this is very kakdi. Not even like cucumber, it's like straight up kakdi smell. Because I mean, again, there are two types of cucumbers, right? There's this English cucumber and there is non-English, like regular cucumber. This smells very desi. Not a big fan. And you know, I started off with this one because I was very excited for this one, and I did not like the smell, which is why, you know, I was like, okay, let me keep this at home and let me carry the apple variant to office or like in my bag. And when my friends almost cancelled me for using this in front of them, can you see the graph for me wasn't up to the mark. Now definitely, because I started the video with the one smell that I did not smell earlier, but I had tried the perfume variant, which is from the Aqua one. You know, it's good, it's nice, it's very aqua-y, but when it comes to these two, you can take a step back. You do not need to go ahead and get these, you know, I'm just being honest. Let's talk about another variant, which is last variant out of all of the body mist that I got. Now this one particularly I was very excited for, because yet again, it's very edibly, to say the least. It is the Body Cupid body mist in Peach Addict. Now as you can see, I have used it ever so slightly, and let me revisit my memories with this one. This is very peachy, but in a way wherein, you know, you visit a doctor and he would give you cough syrup. That along with peach, like just that cough syrup with the peach, that's how this smells. Very artificial, like it's sweet, but to a point where it's very nauseating, giving me reminders of the cough syrup. Like I'm really trying to be nice, very honestly guys, I'm really trying. It's just the scent on this is very artificial. It's not the best combination. Now this I was very excited. Why? Because I also got the matching body lotion. Now let's talk about the body lotion. Now this is the only one that I got the mist and the lotion. Baki sabka either lotion khatam ho gaya tha ya fir mist khatam ho gaya tha. So, you know, I wanted to see how does the longevity works, because yes, that's something I've not mentioned so far about these, because, you know, I of course want to continue talking about individual products and then give you like an overall review at the end. In terms of lotion, to start off with, let's talk about the Peach Addict lotion. I first of all love the packaging. It's very nice and very premium looking. Okay, so this is how the consistency looks like, and this is real time, guys. I'm not making up, I'm not pretending. I'm just giving you real life, real time experience. Can you see? It's not the most blendable cream for sure. After putting in enough work to actually get it absorbed by the skin, let's talk about the smell. The smell is definitely there. It's exactly like the body mist, nothing different there, which again I'm not a big fan of. Apart from that, in terms of longevity, now if it's a thick lotion, I would want this lotion to last on me for at least 4 to 5 hours. At least. I'm not asking for Kohinoor, I'm just asking for a product that is so difficult to get into my skin and, you know, makes me work out to get absorbed into my skin to last for 4 to 5 hours. However, this does not do that. This barely lasts on me for 2 to maximum 3 hours if I'm being generous. But in all honesty, 1 to 2 hours is how long it lasts on me. Now, when I pair this up with the body mists, the longevity is still not great. Like, it still lasts on me for like maybe 2 hours. Maybe. And by that I mean, yes, on its own, without a body lotion, considering maybe this one or like all of the other body mist that I have, they literally last on me for like an hour, guys. They don't last very long. Now, the recommendation video that I did, all of those last for 3+ hours. Now, in my opinion, when it comes to body mist, how good of a body mist it is, it should last for 3 or 3+ hours. Now, 3+ is, I am being very critical. 3 is a very generic standard time norm when it comes to body mist. However, with these ones, it's barely an hour, but then the kind of smell that they do have, it's like, thank God it's just an hour. I don't know if I picked up the wrong smells, because I had expectations, I had a benchmark, and none of it was satisfied, except the Aqua one. I really like the Aqua scent. It's something you should definitely consider getting. But when it comes to the other body mists, the variants, at least the one that I picked, I could lose friendships, guys, over these. I could lose friendships that day. I am just saying, if you're a college going girl with a limited budget, you want to, you know, try out different perfumes or mists for yourself, maybe do a good job and go on their website, because they keep having this particular kind of sale, and skip to the variants that I have picked and maybe try their other variants. They have a lot of variants to choose and pick from. Or maybe you could give it a try with the Aqua variant. I'm pretty sure you're gonna like it if you like those masculine kind of scents. However, there's one scent that I have absolutely not tried before this video, because I wanted to say my first reaction expression, if I may. Ta-da! This is another body lotion, and it's their Red Plump body lotion. Now, both of these body lotions, by the way, you guys, as you can see, they have their particular design and vibe. So you know this is Red Plump, you know this is Peaches. With that being said, apparently these are paraben free and mineral oil free. So even though these are so cheap, which by the way, the MRP of these is 500 rupees for 200 ml, which is a really good price actually, if you were ever to get these on MRPs. As you can see, there's this plastic covering that it comes with, which is a nightmare to remove. It smells very plum. That's a good thing. I like this. I don't know who in their right mind smells a body lotion like, I like this. I just didn't want to mix with all of the other scents that I had going on my hand, so I just did what I did. Oh yeah, you know, I like this. Good, it's a good smell, but again, the consistency is just like this one. It's very thick and hard to blend and get absorbed into the skin. And overall thoughts about the brand is definitely, it's a really good brand. Their perfumes that I have tried, that is the Secret Love and Aqua, are really good perfumes and they last very long and have got a lot of compliments on those. With that being said, the brand has a lot of other things to offer like body mist and lotion. However, with the body mist collection that, or rather selection, I went for, I definitely feel I deserve better, and that shouldn't have happened to me, or I don't want it to happen to you as well, because the mist, the scent, the fragrance is very artificial, very synthetic, very alcoholic. So even I know the fact that we are paying such little amount of money, it is still money. It's not like कोई फुकट में दे रहा है. अगर कोई फुकट में भी दे रहा है तो I mean I wouldn't suggest to go for these particular variants except the aqua. Again, I'm highly repetitively asking you to give it a shot for the aqua variant because I really think it smells amazing. However, in terms of body lotion, I think you can completely skip it, especially because of the packaging. A, it is tube form, so it is bulky to store and everything. I like something with a pump or with a bottle. It's just more sleeker and easy to use. However, apart from the packaging, in terms of the consistency of the creams, is very thick. Maybe it's an ideal situation in winters. However, even in winters, I mean, I don't want something that is so difficult to get into my skin. So I really hope they, you know, reformulate their body lotions and make the consistency easily blendable into the skin. With that being said, despite of it being such a task to blend in, it doesn't moisturize, it doesn't last on my body for more than 2 hours, which is a real bummer. There are definitely good body lotions out there in the market. However, I love the packaging and the presentation of the brand. It is very like I said, elite. You know, the whole experience is very nice. I think it's a good gifting option for anybody in corporate or anybody that, you know, is like an acquaintance. You know, you don't love them, you don't hate them, you just like their existence in your life. I think that's a wrap for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed this sit down old school video. If you did, you know what to do. Give this video a big thumbs up, and guys, please subscribe kar lo, because guys, it's absolutely free. So yes, take this moment and hit that subscribe button right below and hit on the bell notification so that you're updated every time I'm online. You can also follow me on my social media. The links are down below. And yes, I will see you very soon. Until then, bye.